Hey guys, think everyone can hear me okay?
Yep, we can see the slides too.
Excellent. So what I have up here is our Notion site. Traxa.io is our site. You see the address at the top. It's just a basic Notion site right now. It's a concept of community. My name is Chris. The idea is we're trying to build a real world application that can directly impact the global intermodal shipping container industry. What exactly is an intermodal shipping container? It's this bad boy. It drives our global economy, and there's no single platform to actually track all of them. And we're trying to accomplish that in such a way that we're trying to create a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization of intermodal shipping containers, and basically take NFTs or create NFTs in a profit sharing community. All this information that I'm going to be showing here today is on our Traxa.io site. If you'd like to read more about it, there's a lot of content. We do a lot of microblogging on this site. I encourage you to take a look. But the idea is pretty simple. There's an introduction section down here, but I had a suggestion of maybe just putting a graphic up. Anyone can take a picture of an intermodal shipping container and push that information up to a blockchain, and to facilitate not only being rewarded for creating those NFTs, but also to help those that are needing to track or locate their shipping containers. They can do this on a global scale. That's basically the platform. I basically was keeping my presentation just to about 2 minutes because our real need here is a technology leader. We really need a technical founder. There's currently about 40 of us on our Discord server. We're also looking for all other types as well. So from marketing to if you're just passionate about international trade or logistics, this is a great community for you. But primarily when a technical founder is going to help us work through things such as the tokenomics, the implementation on Arweave, and potentially hiring others to actually help us implement our vision. So my main three primary questions to you is, do you have, if you're interested in this role, a technical vision? And does blockchain excite you? Do you have an open mind about new technology and interested in becoming a founder of a cool project such as Traxa? And do you like working with all types of people, including mentoring them and managing them and communicating the vision that we're trying to accomplish with this idea that we call Traxa.io? So that's my presentation. I appreciate anyone that's interested in logistics, supply chain, blockchain, real world use cases for blockchain to meet me out in the lobby. I'd be happy to share more information with you about Traxa. And thank you again for your time.
Thanks, Chris. That's great. One question that I have is, you didn't just dream this up, did you? Like, you have some domain relevant experience there. Maybe you could say a couple of words about that.
Yeah. Thank you, Seb. I actually founded a company called Notaris, and we are actually perpetuating the problem of tracking intermodal shipping containers. We have companies that come to us. They use our software to quite literally take pictures of their shipping containers and push this information, this tracking information, into their proprietary database. Kind of scratching my head, I went, hey, why aren't they all talking to each other? Well, they're motivated by keeping this information private, which makes the global supply chain extremely inefficient and very difficult for anybody participating in it to track their own shipping containers. There's big companies such as IBM that created an organization called IBM Trade Lens, if you'd like to take a look at it, that are struggling. It's hard to get people to put all their proprietary information into a database, into a proprietary database, and then charge them for it. We're thinking the other way around, that the world's intermodal truckers, longshoremen, so on and so forth, can all participate and because they interact with these assets on a daily basis, but also be financially compensated and rewarded for helping others track intermodal shipping containers all over the world.
That's awesome. That's really, really interesting. It's rare to find founders in the space that are trying to do real world applications and that also actually have real world experience and domain knowledge. So, I urge you to go and find Chris in the booth afterwards, after the presentations are done. Thanks so much, Chris.
Thank you.